Welcome back. Second question. The volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter? Volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube. सबसे पहले आप लेट कर लो. Second question है let the edge of cube equal to x centimeter. Therefore, dv by dt equal to 8 centimeter cube. Okay. How fast is the surface area increasing? आपको निकालना क्या है? इसको इक्वेशन फर्स्ट कर लेना. फाइंड करना आपको ds by dt. ये फाइंड करना when x equal to 12 centimeter is there by 12 centimeters, that is x equal to 12 centimeter. Volume of cube equal to x cube, the side cube. Therefore v equal to x cube, differentiation with respect to x. Therefore dv by dx with respect to t करना है आपको differentiation. dv by dt equal to d by dt x cube. Therefore 3x square dx by dt. Okay. Put the value of dv by dx. dv by dx is 8. So 8 into 3x square dx by dt. Therefore dx by dt equal to 8 upon 3x square. This is the second equation. Okay. अब आ जाओ नेक्स्ट. अब हमें दिया सरफेस एरिया निकालना है इसका ds by dt. तो सरफेस एरिया TSA of cube equal to 6x square. Therefore S equal to 6x square, differentiation with respect to t. ds by dt equal to d by dt 6x square, that is 6 into 2x dx by dt. ds by dt, that is 12x dx by dt. ds by dt equal to dx by dt की वैल्यू सेकेंड इक्वेशन से डाल दो तो क्या होगा 12x इंटू 3 अपॉन 8 अपॉन 3x x स्क्वायर. x कैंसिल, 3 से कैंसिल 4, 32 अपॉन x. Therefore ds by dt x equal to 12. 32 by 12, 4, 8, 3. 8 by 3, so d equal to 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. Therefore required answer is rate of change of the surface area of cube is 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. Okay. Third question is the radius of circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 4 centimeters. Let the radius of circle, रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल को लेट कर लो r. लेट द रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल बी r. लेट द रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल इक्वल टू r. Therefore dr by dt equal to 3 centimeter per second. फाइंड करना है आपको एरिया ऑफ सर्कल. फाइंड द एरिया एट विच द, तो dA by dt equal to what when r equal to 10 centimeter. और जो एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज एरिया ऑफ सर्कल पाई आर स्क्वायर. डिफरेंशिएट तो क्या होगा, a equal to पाई आर स्क्वायर. डिफरेंशिएशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू t. therefore dA by dt equal to dy dt pi r square, that is pi into 2r dr by dt. Okay, write down 2 pi r and dr by dt is 3. From equation first, इसको equation first ले लो. From equation first 3, that equal to 6 pi r dA by dt. When r equal to 10, तो dA by dt equal to 6 pi into 10, that equal to 60 pi centimeter square per second. Okay, therefore required answer is the rate of change of area of circle is 60 centimeter square per seconds. पॉजिटिव है तो इंक्रीज होगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फोर्थ. an edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of a cube increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter? Let the edge of cube को आप let कर लो x. Let the edge of cube equal to x. Therefore dx by dt equal to 3 centimeter square. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. ठीक है. और x दिया हुआ आपको 10. आपको फाइंड क्या करना है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब. किस रेट से आपका वॉल्यूम चेंज होगा, तो dv by dt. ओके. वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब equal to x cube. Therefore v equal to x cube. Differentiation with respect to t. dv by dt equal to d by dt x cube 3x square dx by dt. Put the value of dx by dt, that is 3x square into 3 9x square. From equation first. Okay, therefore dv by dt equal to 9 into, और यहाँ पे मैंने वैल्यू डाल दिया x equal to 10. 9 10 का स्क्वायर, that equal to 900 centimeter cube per second. Therefore volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 900 centimeter cube per second. Okay, राइट डाउन कीजिए. फिर करते हैं फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. Fifth question is, a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and wave moves in circle at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of circle wave is 8 centimeters, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? आपको enclosed area का increasing निकालना है. फिर से आप area of circle ले लो. Let the area of circle be R. let the area of circle equal to r. Therefore dr by dt is 5 centimeter per second. Find करना है at the instant when the radius is 4 centimeters, how fast is enclosed area increasing? dA by, इसको इक्वेशन फर्स्ट कर लो, आपको dA by dt फाइंड करना है when x equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, area of circle equal to pi r square. Therefore A equal to pi r square. dA by dt equal to d by dt pi r square. आपने क्या करा, डिफरेंशिएशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू t कर लिया, तो क्या होगा dA by dt इक्वल टू पाई और जगह कितना 2r dr by dt. ठीक है, 2 pi r dr by dt. Here given that the dr by dt is 5, write down 2 pi r into 5, that is 10 pi r dA by dt. When x equal to r equal to 8 centimeter, dA by dt r equal to 8, that is 10 pi into 8, 80 pi centimeter square per second. Therefore area of circle increasing at the rate of 80 pi centimeter square per second. Comes on a sixth question. Our sixth question is, the radius of circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? Radius of circle equal to r let कर लिया, and the rate of circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter. 0.7 centimeter per second. Okay, ये given है. Therefore area of circle is, sixth question, area of circle equal to pi r square. Pi A equal to pi r square, differentiation with respect to t. Therefore dA by dt equal to d by dt pi r square. Therefore pi into 2r dr by dt, 2 pi r dr by dt. Therefore dA by dt. Here given that 0.7 dr by dt is 0.7. Therefore we got 2 pi r 0.7. तो जगह 1.4 pi r centimeter square per second. This is the dA by dt. Okay. Comes in the seventh question. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and with width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x equal to 8 centimeters and y equal to 6 centimeters, find the rate of change of, first part है the perimeter and second is the area of rectangle. Seventh question. dx by dt decreasing लिखा हुआ है, therefore write down 5 centimeter per second. First equation. Second, dy by dt 4 centimeter per second. X equal to 8 centimeter. Y equal to 6 centimeter. दो पार्ट है इसका. फर्स्ट पार्ट A, perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle इक्वल टू होता है हमारा 2 इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई. therefore P equal to 2 into x plus y. Differentiation with respect to t. Therefore dp by dt equal to dy dt 2 into x plus y as 2 dx by dt plus dy by dt. ठीक है. अब क्या करेंगे, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ dx by dt and dy by dt from equation first and second, that is minus 5 plus 4 from equation 1 and 2, that equal 2 into minus 1 minus 2 centimeter per second. Therefore perimeter of rectangle decreasing at the rate of minus 2 centimeters per second. Second is area of rectangle equal to x into y. Therefore a equal to xy. Differentiation with respect to t, dA by dt equal to d by dt xy. dA by dt equal to y dx by dt plus x dy by dt. Okay, y is 6 और dx by dt, पहले y नहीं, फिर dx by dt लिख दो. y dx by dt is minus 5 x into 4 from equation first and second. That is 4x minus 5y. रीअरेंज कर दिया. राइट डाउन dA by dt, put the value of x equal to 8 and y equal to 6. Therefore 4 into 8 minus 5 into 6, that is 32 minus 30, so 2 centimeter square per second. This is the positive. Therefore area of rectangle increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per second, 2 centimeters square per second. This is the seventh question. नोट डाउन कर लीजिए, फिर करेंगे अगला नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Eighth question. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflated is being then inflated by the pumping in 900 cubic centimeters of a gas per second. Find the rate at which the radius of balloon increasing when the radius is 15 centimeter. Okay, spherical balloon है जिसको हमने पंप करा है, तो रेडियस ऑफ स्फीयर ले लो. Let the radius of sphere equal to r centimeter. Therefore dV by dt हो जाएगा 900 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड। दिस इज द इक्वेशन फर्स्ट। फाइंड करना है डी आर बाई डी टी। ठीक है, हमें डी आर बाई डी टी फाइंड करना है व्हेन आर इक्वल टू 15 सेंटीमीटर। आर इक्वल टू 50 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर कितना होता है? स्फीयर 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब। Therefore V equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Differentiation with respect to t, dv by dt equal to d by dt 4/3 pi r cube. Therefore 4/3 pi r cube is 3r square. These 3 cancel and dr by dt. This is 4 pi r square dr by dt. Put the value of dv by dt from equation first. 900 4 pi r square dr by dt from first. That is 900 dr by dt equal to 900 upon 4 pi r square. Put the value of r equal to 15. Therefore dr by dt r equal to 15 equal to 900 upon 4 into 4 pi 15 का square, that equal to 900 upon 4 pi into 225. कटिंग कर तो 900 हो जाएगा, that is 1 by pi centimeter per second. Therefore the radius of the sphere is increasing at the rate of 1 by pi centimeter per second. This is the 8th question. 9th question. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius when the later is 10 centimeters. Always remains spherical, has a variable radius. R, let the radius of sphere be r, and find the rate at which the volume increasing with the with respect to with the radius when letter is 10. R equal to 10 दिया हुआ है, R equal to 10 सेंटीमीटर। आपको निकालना है dv by dr is what? R equal to 10 centimeter. Volume of sphere equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Let the radius of sphere be r. dv by dr equal to find करना when the radius is 10. Volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Therefore V equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Differentiation with respect to r. dv by dr equal to d by dr 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube is 3r square dr by dt. 3 से 3 cancel. 4 pi r square dr by dt. Okay? No, dr by dt. Only dr 3r. Because differentiation with respect to r. So dv by dt is this. dv by dr equal to this. Therefore dv by dr or R is 10. Put R equal to 10 for 4 pi R equal to 10 का square, 400 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Therefore, volume of sphere increasing at the rate of 400 pi centimeter square per second. This is the required answer. Please note down. If you have any problem, then you comment and like, share my videos, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.